Hi folks, Mark here, Views from Mark. As always, I hope you're keeping safe, healthy and are well wherever you are in the world. Today's video is going to be a short kind of unwrapping of something that I picked up during a recent trip to New York. Now, I do have a fuller video about that trip, which was titled Operation Live and Let Fly, an homage to Live and Let Die, if you will. But today I'm focusing on something that I picked up from Sunspel, which was actually a gift from my good friend David, aka TheBondExperience. So to give you some context, I was going to be in New York for about 5-6 days, and I reached out to David ahead of time and said, I'm going to be in town, are you free to meet up? To cut a very long story short, David was amazing, and he said, if you don't mind, let me put together a timetable and we'll hang out on this Friday. We'll go to some of the Bond brands, locations, and then in the evening we'll culminate things with a meetup with a load of other Bond fans, go for dinner, have some drinks and have a wonderful time. And it was an amazing Friday. We went to many brands. One of them was Sunspel. Now, David had reached out to Sunspel ahead of our visit and said, I'm going to be in New York City. My friend Mark is going to be in town as well. He's over from the UK. We're going to be doing some content around the day. It would be great to come into the store, see what you've got that's new, etc., etc. So Sunspel very kindly gave David a voucher, a gift voucher, because they knew he was going in and they wanted him to kind of get some bits and pieces from the new line. And whilst we were in Sunspel, looking around at the amazing collection that they've got, a couple of polos did jump out straight away. And David tried on a couple of these polos and he asked me, what did I think of this one that he was trying on? I said, that's really nice. And it was from their brand new Sea Island cotton polo collection. Now, it's not the same as the Riviera Polo that you might have seen previously. This was a brand new, ultra soft Sea Island cotton polo. And it looked amazing. And the feel of the fabric was so soft. It's unlike anything that I've really experienced before. And David said to me, what do you think of the colour? And he tried on navy blue. I said, that's really nice. I said, I'd probably go for a black because I've got a few navy blues, but the black is really nice. And David took me completely by surprise when he then said, well, okay, let's pick up the black. That one can be yours. And he basically split the voucher that he'd been given by Sunspel, and he very graciously, very generously gifted me this polo, which left me speechless. You know, the generosity and what have you was just unexpected and lovely. A lovely kind of souvenir to take away from the day and the trip, as well as all the memories that we had. So this I haven't opened yet since I left New York, in fact since I left the store, but I didn't get a Sunspel bag. I had another bag with me, so I just popped it in there. So obviously if you go into a Sunspel store, you will leave with everything wrapped up really nicely as it is here, but a Sunspel bag as well. But yeah, so what I went for, so let's open this up, shall we? I'm going to pull it out of this end so you can get a view. What I went for was this black, you got this lovely tissue paper, this black Sea Island cotton polo from Sunspel. This is, as I say, the first time that I'm taking it out and kind of looking at it here. I mean, straight away, again, the feel of this Sea Island cotton, it's so soft. I know the Riviera Polo from made famous rather by Daniel Craig wearing the Riviera Polo in Casino Royale. That's quite a staple piece for many people. I've only recently got my first ever item of Sunspel clothing was that polo. So this is the second piece that I own. But this is, it's amazing. It is more of a kind of a jersey look to it. Rather than the Riviera Polo, it's got more of a jersey look and feel to it. But again, the fabric, this Sea Island cotton, I've never had anything that is Sea Island cotton before, but it's really soft. There's some lovely details on the buttons here as well. In fact, this is a detail that I pick up on with things, which I'll get a close-up shot of for you to see. But on the buttons, the word Sunspel is perfectly level. They've not just sewn the buttons on randomly so that they're at any angle. They are literally saying Sunspel top to bottom. You know, it's perfectly level, but that is really nice. Really nice. And I've got to say a massive thank you to Jaden, who was the store manager in the Madison Avenue Sunspel that we went into, he was fantastic. He was very giving with his time and his knowledge and talking us through some of their latest collection and their latest pieces, this obviously being one of them. So David got a matching polo, but in a navy blue. I went for this in black. I think this is lovely. This is going to be really comfortable. I suppose the only thing really left to do in this brief, as it is, kind of unwrapping is to try it on and see how it fits. So let's do that now. Okay, so here it is. This is the Sunspel Sea Island cotton polo that my good friend David gifted me. It's amazing. So this is a size small that I've gone for. It's unbelievably soft and comfortable, like to feel on the hand. It's really amazing. It's not something I've ever experienced, Sea Island cotton, before, so this is a new experience for me. But I love the fit, I love the feel. The quality feels top notch, as you would expect from a kind of classic English brand. And yeah, I'm really loving this. This is going to be perfect for summer, but also as we're now entering spring and that transitional period, I can easily see layering this up with a nice kind of spring summer jacket, nice pair of chinos or jeans. Yeah, really comfortable, really soft. So all that's left to say is a big thank you to Jaden, once again, general manager in the Sunspel store in Madison Avenue, but also a massive thank you to David for this very generous gift and kind of bestowing me this lovely, amazing polo. I'm going to wear it, enjoy it, and love it. But if you want to see more from the New York trip, Operation Live and Let Fly, do check out the other videos on my channel. Hope you've enjoyed this one. It's a very brief taster, but I wanted to give you a kind of a flavour and a feel of what happened on the day and these unexpected moments that are things that kind of make a trip and those memories last a lifetime. So if you have enjoyed this video, please do consider giving it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, please do consider subscribing and hitting the bell notification button so you get a notification whenever I post something new. But for now, I'm going to enjoy wearing this Sunspel Sea Island cotton polo very much indeed, because it's really comfortable. But until the next time, and as always, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay well. Thanks for watching.